Hey everyone, so in today's video we'll see how you can drill holes like these using a hole saw kit and a standard drill machine. So this hole saw kit is something that I got recently from Amazon, and what you get in this is 8 drill bits which range from 19 mm to 64 mm, and then you also have this 2.5 mm Allen key. And then these are the 2 attachments that will be used to attach these bits to your drill machine. And the drill machine that I'm using here is manufactured by Skill. The model number is 6513. Now this again comes in a nice little carrying case with a lot of different drill bits and attachments. So if you want to buy any of these products that I used in my video, then I'll be providing links for these in the description section. Okay, so now before we start with the actual process of attaching this to the drill machine and drilling a few holes, there are a few safety related instructions that I want to flash on the screen. So these are flashed over here, and I would recommend that you follow all of these instructions when you're doing this at your place. So to begin with, to attach this bit to your drill machine, we'll have to make use of this head that's provided in the box. And for the larger bits you can use the large head, and for the smaller ones you can use the small one. So what you need to do here is to unscrew the screw that's on the back side, and then the bit will go in from here, and it will get attached in this notch that's on the back side. So once this is done, you can tighten up the screw again. So that's tight and secure, and if you notice, the pointed parts are towards the front, and on the back side this is the attachment that will get attached to your drill machine. So one step that I would recommend here is to tighten the screw with a wrench if you have a wrench handy. Right now I'm skipping this because the wrench that I have is not of the right size, but this is something that you should be doing. And now attaching this to the main drilling machine is pretty simple. It's the same things that you would do to attach a drill bit. So you'll place it in here and then tighten this up. And to make it extra secure, you'll use the tightening rod that's provided with your drill machine, and tighten it up a few times. So now this drill bit attachment is properly attached to the drilling machine. So let's get to the part of making some holes in the wooden sheet that we have here. So I'm going to place the sheet on top of a tray and then start with the drilling process. So this way I'll prevent any damage to the table underneath the sheet, and even the dust and this little block will get collected in the tray itself. So that's how simple it was, and the block of piece from the sheet has fallen down in the tray below. So now I just need to wipe this off, and I've got a clean and precise circular cut over here. So that's it for this one, guys. If you have any questions about the hole saw kit that I used in this video, then do add them in the comment section below. And thank you for watching this video, and do subscribe to my channel.